Hello, good morning students. How are you? No, all our students are fine. Okay. Yes, I explained the talking train lesson yesterday, and you write. Today, the small project work. The project name is My Train. I will explain some points. The following steps will help you in making a matchbox train. That called My Train. Okay, first one, take some matchboxes. This is the first. Is the second one, pull out the drawings a little from the boxes. Third one, insert the drawers of one box into the other. The fourth one you can use is a bottoms. It's a very important. It's a legs of cool drink bottles as wheels. Next one, the matchbox train is ready. I will give to the hints. Now, this is the project work hints. Now, let us today. Yes, students. First of all, you can write down. You can write down the following steps will help to you making the train. Yes, you making a matchbox train. That called is a My Train. Okay. First, the 5 hints I will give it by you. Next, this is the important. First, you take some matchboxes. You can see the matchboxes? No, just see. This is the matchbox. This is the matchbox. Okay, my dear students. First, you take some matchboxes. The first point. Second, open an empty matchbox. Open an is a empty matchbox. Pull out the small box inside and open another box as well. Open it to do so and combine the two. Now you can see this is the model of the one box to another box combined two. You can see this is the second one is the open the small box, and the third one is the two boxes. Is a combination or combined is a two. Okay, my dear students. Next, take a few more boxes and sew the train. Take some boxes. Is a combine the one box to another box. Okay, my dear students. Next, the remaining part of the train. Which is the remaining part? The wheels. Now, the remaining wheels is a cool drink packs and make a small hole in them. Now, dear students, you can observe this is the type of the cool drink cap. You can see the fourth point is the cool drink cap. Is a take a cool drink pack and make a small hole in them. Okay. Next is a first you take the bottom kits. Cut the boom of the baby into a small pieces. and insert the bottle caps to from wheels on is a both sides. Dear students, you can see the is a bottom is a box, matchbox bottoms. You can arrange the wheels. First of all, you can take a cool drink pack and make a small holes in them. Is a second one. You can take a boom kits. Boom means is a boom kits. Cut the boom of the baby into a small pieces. After that, the inside the bottle caps from wheels on both sides. You can see this is the one side, is the other one is the second side or both sides. You can fix the wheels. Yes, your train is ready. Hello my dear students, your train is ready. This is your project work. The project work name is my train. This is your project work. Okay, you can understand my dear students. Okay, first of all, I give to the 5 hints. Yes, making your train. Yes, within the following steps will help you in making a matchbox train. Yes, this is your train. Second one, I will give to some hints. Okay, take some matchboxes. Second one, pull out drawers a little from the box. The third one is insert the drawers of one box into another box. Next, fourth one, you can use is a bottom, is a legs, is a cool drink bottles as wheels. Fifth one is the matchbox train is ready. No, this is the train. Yes, my dear students, you can understood these hints. Okay, first one is the box and the second one is the inside the one box to another box. Next one is the wheels, and fifth one is the attached to the wheels, and you can make some train. Okay. Next, I will explain to the project work. Again, is first you can take some matchboxes. Okay, my dear students, you take some matchboxes. Next one, open an empty matchbox. So pull out is a small box inside. Open another box as well. Open it. Do so and combine two. Yes, sir. This type. Okay, dear students, this type is take a few more boxes and sew the train. This is the train. Next one is the wheels. The remaining wheels. Take is a cool drink packs and make a small hole in them. This is this type. Okay. First, take the boom kits, cut the boom of the baby into a small pieces. This one. Okay, this one. Cut the small pieces. Yes. Next, insert the bottle caps. This is the bottle cap and inside is a bottle cap from the wheel on the both side. Both side. Your train is ready. This is the project. Okay. Dear students, you will make a train. Tomorrow I will see this project of my train. Okay. Thank you.